Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Forex trading? Introducing Market Keys, your ultimate Forex trade manager designed to revolutionize your trading game. With the best risk management tools in the biz, say goodbye to guesswork and hello to profit. To learn more, watch now. Hello everyone and welcome back to uGenesys, and today I'm super excited to introduce you to our latest masterpiece, the revamped trade manager known as Market Keys. And let me tell you, this one truly unlocks the secrets of the Forex market. So whether you're trading Forex, indices, or anything else, a trade manager is an absolute game changer. It's like having a personal assistant to help you execute and manage your trades flawlessly, and that's exactly what Market Keys does. So get ready to take your trading to a whole new level with this incredible tool. So let me just give you a quick breakdown of today's video. So first I'm going to show you how to add this trade manager to your chart, and then I'm going to show you the key features, and finally I have a surprise bonus for you at the very end, okay? And so first we're going to go up here to View and Navigator, and here under Expert Advisors we'll see our Market Keys Trade Manager. Let's go ahead, hit OK. Alright, and so this is what it looks like whenever you first add it to your chart. And if you take a look up here in the top right hand corner, you'll see a little face with a frown, but we want to turn that frown upside down and give it a smile. So what we want to do first is we'll right click and go to Expert Advisors, Properties, and we're going to check this box here that says Allow Live Trading and hit OK. And also we want to go ahead and enable auto trading up here. And there we have our smiley face, so we know we're good to go. And so this trade manager offers a range of exceptional tools designed to simplify your trading experience. Firstly, it assists you in accurately determining the appropriate lot size, and calculating lot sizes can be challenging considering the varying values of different currency pairs. But this feature integrated into our trade manager aims to alleviate this difficulty and provide a more convenient solution for calculating the precise percentage lot size required for your trades. So let's go to our terminal here and just take a quick look at our balance. So the current balance on this account here, $49,950, okay? And so the initial step is to specify the desired stop loss. Alright, so let's say I want to use 20 pips for the stop loss here, and I'm going to set the risk at 5%. And then once I have these two values, what I need to do next is just hit this calculate button here, and there you see it automatically calculates the lot size for me. So right now we have a lot size of 17.46 lots. And so now that I have this information, I can make an informed decision on whether to initiate a buy or sell order. And after analyzing this Swiss JPY chart, seems we're in an uptrend, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the buy here. But just before I do that, I want to draw your attention to the 4 panels up here. So you can see we're currently on the execute panel, and we also have a management panel, a stats panel, and finally a secure panel. But for now we'll just focus on the execute panel to demonstrate these features here. So by clicking on the buy button, you will see that it brings up a graphical representation here on the chart, and you can see that you can adjust the stop loss and the take profit over here on the chart conveniently. So you're not restricted to using the panel here for adjusting your stop loss or take profit, okay? You can do it right here on the chart, and you can also see that it displays the dollar value for both the take profit here and also the dollar value for the stop loss, and also your risk to reward ratio is automatically calculated for you as well, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm, effectively executing the trade and entering into the market. And you can see this is a quite straightforward process, okay? And additionally, you'll see that we also have the options here for a buy stop. And as you may already know, a buy stop is a type of pending order that automatically enters the market when the price reaches a specific level in the indicated direction here above the current market price. And we also have a buy limit here as well, and a buy limit order would be placed below the current market price, such that if the market reaches at that level, a buy order would be triggered automatically, okay? However, you can feel free to experiment and explore the functionalities at your disposal, and you can see some very user-friendly experience, very easy to use. And so just to summarize, our execute tab enables you to enter the Forex market through buy and sell orders, and additionally offers the functionality to calculate your lot sizes based on your various risk parameters. And it's worth noting that this trade manager was designed with prop firms in mind, as different prop firms impose varying risk requirements. So for example, the prop firm known as the Fivers, the maximum risk allowed is 0.5%. So let me just demonstrate how this works for you. So for this one, I'm just going to set the stop loss at 50 pips, and then we'll put our risk at 0.5%. and hit calculate. And so you see it automatically calculates the loss here for you at 0.7 lots. So you can see that this tool proves to be extremely useful, especially in such scenarios. And furthermore, you have access to features like buy stops, sell limit, and buy limit, providing you with a comprehensive range of options for your trading strategy. And so now let's navigate the Management tab, where you can gain access to a variety of functions to take control and manage your trades. So in this tab, you can make several adjustments to your trades. For instance, you can move your stop loss to break-even point if necessary, and additionally you have the option to close 50% of your trades, which I will demonstrate for you now. So let's go ahead and open up our terminal again. And so you can currently see our lot size there, 17.46. So if I go ahead and hit the close 50% option, it means that I will close half of the position. As you can see here, it just went down to 8.73. So you can observe that executing this action closes half of the trade. And if I were to repeat this process, it would continue closing portions until the entire position is fully closed. So this is how the close 50% button functions. And by selecting the stop loss to break even option here, then the trade manager will automatically adjust the stop loss to the entry point once the trade is in a profitable position. And if there were any buy limits, sell limits, close buy stops, close sell stops, then the trade manager would offer the choice to close them. And up here you can also see the option to close trades. So you could choose to close all the trades, or only the trades that are in profit, or only the trades that are in loss. Okay, so you can see this management section serves the purpose of efficiently handling these actions within the trade manager. And so now let's explore the stats section. So this section provides valuable insights into the stats of your account. So you can view essential information such as your current balance, equity or drawdown, as well as your growth here. So you can see your daily growth, your weekly growth, your monthly or yearly growth as well. And so by monitoring these statistics, you can effectively track and evaluate your overall performance. And in addition, you have access to statistics such as the average win here. You also have the average loss and the profit factor. So these metrics allow you to assess your performance without relying on external tools. So the trade manager automatically tracks and provides you with these essential statistics, eliminating the need for separate performance management tools. So that's it for our statistics section. So now let's explore our security feature, which is a very important section. So this feature includes the daily equity protector, and this is a crucial tool that safeguards your trading activities. And within this feature, you can set specific thresholds for profit and loss, and if either of these thresholds is reached, then the trade manager will automatically shut down, preventing you from continuing to trade. So for example, if you set a profit target here of 1,000, once you achieve that level, then the manager will cease trading, okay? And similarly, if you set a loss limit here we have 550. So if the threshold is reached here in this case, the trade manager would automatically halt trading when this threshold is reached. And you also have the flexibility to configure these limits based on daily or weekly profits and loss targets, tailoring them to your individual preferences and needs. And so this security feature provides an effective mechanism to protect your account and ensure responsible trading activities. And guys, let's dive into the next two game-changing features of this trade manager. Believe me, these are the ones you absolutely need to have in order to master your trading psychology. So overtrading is a common trap that many traders fall into. So picture this, you just lost $500 in the market, and what do? You try to make it all back, right? But guess what? That often leads to even more losses, and that's where this genius idea comes in, the prevent manual trade option. And let me tell you guys, this is the one and only trade manager out there that offers this incredible feature. And here's the deal, sometimes you tell yourself you're going to do trading for the day, you shut down your computer, and maybe you even leave the room. But what happens next? You find yourself opening up the trading app on your phone and making impulsive trades. But not anymore. This trade manager has got your back. It prevents you from engaging in manual trades, even if you're tempted to sneakily trade on your phone while you're at the supermarket or anywhere else. So say goodbye to these impulsive trading decisions and hello to disciplined trading. It's a real game changer, friends. And so once you're on your phone and you try to take a trade, once this is on, it will automatically delete that trade. And so you won't be able to trade at all. And the final function here is the limit orders per day. So maybe you might say, I only want to take 3 trades per day and that's it. And once this is on, you'll be able to make your 3 trades and nothing more. And if you try to make a 4th trade, it will automatically delete it, okay? So it's very simple, guys. And so guys, the moment you've been waiting for, that surprise that I promised you in the beginning, okay? So if you go to the MQL5 platform with our link in the description, then you'll see our trade manager here. But if you take a look, you can see that we have a free demo option that you can go ahead and use to test out this trade manager before purchasing, okay? So we have the free demo option available for both our MT4 platform and also for our MT5 platform as well, guys. So you definitely want to go ahead and just test out this demo before purchasing. And there you have it, guys. That's a review of our amazing Market Keys Trade Manager. And so thank you so much again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below to let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.